Example 13. Sine of x plus y divided by sine of x minus y equals tan x plus tan y divided by tan x minus tan y. This prove pannanom. So, now first I LHS mattum edukuren. So, when I take my LHS, what formula do I know? Sine of a plus b is sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. Correct? This is minus vandaduna, I will have a minus here. So, what formula do I use? Sine of a plus b is sin a cos b. So, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b divided by denominator la sin of a minus b. So, it will be sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So, it will be sin y. Okay. Now, I am going to divide both the numerator and the denominator by cos x cos y. Why am I going to do that? Divide by cos x cos y. Divide the whole numerator and denominator by cos x cos y. Why am I doing that? I need a tan x here. I see I have a sin x. So, sin x by cos x panna tan x vandrum. And I have a cos y, which is an extra term. So, I have to cancel cos y and cos y. Similarly, you see here, I want a tan y. So, sin y by cos y will become tan y. Cos x and cos x will get cancelled. You understand? So, my next step will be sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, the whole divided by cos x cos y. Then, the other denominator, put a bigger line. Okay? So, I have sin x cos y minus cos x sin y divided by cos x cos y. I am multiplying, I am dividing the numerator and the denominator by cos x cos y. This does not change the equation. Correct? And idu cancel achna, I will get back the previous step. So, here when I take this term separately and this term separately. So, what will I be left with? First term mattum edutha sin x cos x sin y. So, I will write it down. Sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y plus cos x sin y divided by cos x cos y, the whole divided by, again, these two terms. So, sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So, in the term I will have sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y minus cos x sin y divided by cos x cos y. So, now cos y and cos y will get cancelled. Cos x. Similarly, here cos y and cos y, cos x and cos x. So, what am I left with? Sin x by cos x, which is tan x, plus sin y by cos y is tan y. Similarly, denominator sin x by cos x is tan x minus sin y by cos y is tan y, which is equal to the RHS. Hence, proved. Okay. Example 14. Show that tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x equals tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. Okay. So, first step, I am going to take tan 3x and write it as tan of 2x plus x. Why am I doing that? I see there is a 2x tan x here. I also see there is a tan x here. So, now in the 3x, I will split panni edupporen. What formula do you know? Tan of a plus b is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. You know this formula. So, now in the a enna, my a is 2x and my b is x. So, in this formula we use panna, I will have tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. This is nothing but tan 3x. Correct? So, when I cross multiply, I will have tan 3x minus these two. So, I will have tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x equals this tan 2x plus tan x. So when I bring these two terms to my left hand side and this term to my right hand side, I'll be left with tan 3x inge dhaan irukku minus tan 2x minus tan x equals I'm bringing this whole term to my right hand side. So I'll have tan 3x, tan 2x and tan x. Hence proved. You see what I did? I have 3x, 2x and x. So in that tan 3x, tan of 2x plus x in edhran. So I'm going to use the tan of a plus b formula. I did this. I did some calculation, cross multiplication, LHS, RSS lam panna. I'll get the desired equation. Okay, so hence. Example 15. Cos pi by 4 plus x. This is the whole angle inside the cos. Okay, x யும் pi by 4 யும் தனியாலாம் எடுத்து எழுத கூடாது. Plus cos of pi by 4 minus x equals root 2 cos x. So இங்க என்ன இருக்கு? I have cos a plus cos b ன்னு இருக்கு. So what formula do I know? Cos a plus cos b. So when I have cos and plus, I'll have 2 cos. So cos இருக்கும், cos இருக்கும். I'll be left with a plus b divided by 2 times a minus b divided by 2. So I have cos of a plus cos b equals 2 cos a plus b by 2 times cos of a minus b by 2. So in that a enna this term and b is this term inside the bracket. So what will I have? 2 times cos of a plus b, which is pi by 4 minus x. This is my first term, divided by 2. Don't forget the by 2. Times cos of a minus b, which will be pi by 4 plus x minus pi by 4 minus x, the whole divided by 2. Okay, don't forget to put a bracket and you have a minus here. Okay, so in this step, 2 cos of pi by 4 plus pi by 4 will become 2 pi by 4. X minus x cancel idom. Correct? X and minus x will go off. So I'll be left with 2 pi by 4 divided by 2. In the 2 marandradinga. Okay, times cos of I have pi by 4 plus x minus pi by 4 minus into minus plus. So I have pi by 4 minus pi by 4 poidom. I have x plus x, which is 2x divided by 2. Okay, 2 cos of 2 pi by 4 is nothing but I can cancel these 2. So I'll be left with pi by 2. Pi by 2 divided by 2 and pi by 2 divided by 2 will be pi by 2 divided by 2. Reciprocal panna pi by 2 times 1 by 2, which will be pi by 4. Okay, so this will be 2 cos pi by 4 times cos of x. Cos pi by 4 and cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So I have times 1 by root 2 times cos x. Root 2 and 2 cancel panna, I'll have root 2 times cos x. Okay, I'm simply using the formula that we learned. So formula மட்டும் கரெக்ட்டா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Cos plus வந்ததுனா 2 cos a plus b by 2, a minus b by 2. Okay.